Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Today we will explore the world of the legendary Celestion speakers. If you're into music production or a guitarist, you've probably heard the name Celestion. But what makes these speakers so special? And why have they been a staple in the industry for decades? Let's rewind the clock and find out. Celestion started off in 1924 in England. They originally made radios, but soon enough they pivoted to focus on loudspeakers. And boy, did they make the right call. Founded by Cyril French, the company initially operated out of a small workshop in Hampton Wick. Their first major success came with the introduction of the Celestion Radio Company's Model 3 speaker, which quickly gained popularity. In the 1960s, they became synonymous with the British invasion sound. Think about all those great classic rock tones. A lot of that texture came from Celestion speakers. Now let's get a bit technical. Ohms. You've probably seen speakers rated at 8 ohms or 16 ohms. But what does that mean? In simple terms, ohms measure the electrical resistance of the speaker. Lower ohms mean less resistance, which usually means a louder speaker. Or pairs of speakers will be wired together to lower the ohm load, resulting in louder speakers. Then we've got frequency response. Ever seen numbers like 55 Hertz or 75 Hertz? These numbers denote the frequency range the speaker can handle. For instance, 55 Hertz means the speaker can reproduce sound frequencies as low as 55 Hertz, which is great for bass-heavy music. On the flip side, a 75 Hertz speaker might be better for mid-range clarity. Now let's put this into context with some Celestion classics. Take the Celestion Blue, for example. Introduced in the 1950s, this 15-watt speaker with a frequency range starting at 75 Hertz has been a favorite for its smooth, rich tones. Then there's the Celestion G12M Greenback, which became iconic in the 60s and 70s. With its 25-watt power handling and 75 Hertz frequency response, it's known for that crunchy, vintage rock sound. Fast forward to today, Celestion continues to innovate. Their A-Type and Neo Series speakers are designed to offer modern tones while still paying homage to that classic Celestion sound. Whether you're producing rock, blues, or even jazz, there's a Celestion speaker that fits your needs. So why do Celestion speakers matter? It's all about that legacy and craftsmanship. They've been shaping the sound of music for nearly a century, and their speakers are a testament to quality and innovation. If you're in the market for new gear, Celestion is definitely a name to consider. Let's look at the impact of Celestion speakers on modern audio technology. Now that we've explored the evolution of Celestion speakers, let's turn our attention to their impact on modern audio technology. Celestion's influence extends far beyond the realm of classic rock tones. Their innovations have shaped the very fabric of contemporary audio experiences. Celestion's high-fidelity speakers have found their way into living rooms across the globe. With advancements in materials and engineering, these speakers offer unparalleled clarity and depth, making them a favorite for audiophiles who crave an immersive listening experience. From recording studios to concert halls, Celestion speakers are a staple in the industry. Their robust construction and superior sound quality make them ideal for a variety of professional applications. Guitarists, in particular, have a long-standing love affair with Celestion. The speaker's ability to handle high power and deliver a rich tonal palette makes them a perfect match for electric guitars. Their technological innovations have also paved the way for advancements in wireless audio, smart speakers, and even automotive sound systems. Celestion has ensured that their speakers remain relevant in an ever-evolving audio landscape. Their commitment to quality and innovation has made them a cornerstone in various audio applications. So, the next time you experience a moment of audio bliss, there's a good chance that Celestion has played a part in making it happen. The future of Celestion speakers. As we look ahead, the future of Celestion speakers promises to be as groundbreaking as their storied past. Let's explore the exciting innovations and advancements that Celestion is working on, including new technologies and potential applications in emerging audio fields. First, let's look into the realm of smart audio technology. Celestion is at the forefront of integrating smart features into their speaker designs. Imagine a speaker that not only delivers exceptional sound quality, but also adapts to your listening habits and preferences. Through the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning, Celestion is developing speakers that can optimize audio output based on the type of content you're consuming. Next, we turn our attention to sustainable materials and eco-friendly production methods. Celestion is committed to reducing their environmental footprint by exploring sustainable materials for speaker components and adopting greener manufacturing processes. This not only ensures the longevity of our planet, but also enhances the durability and performance of their products. Now, let's talk about immersive audio experiences. With the rise of virtual reality and augmented reality, the demand for 360-degree soundscapes is growing. Celestion is pioneering new speaker technologies that deliver spatial audio, creating an immersive experience that places you right at the center of the action. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds or attending a virtual concert, Celestion's innovative speakers will make every experience more lifelike and engaging. If you're excited about the future of Celestion speakers and the innovations they're bringing to the world of audio, be sure to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge audio technology. Until next time, keep listening, discovering, and exploring sonic sciences.